Hello friends, I am Praghadeesh. In this video, I will show you how to rotate objects in Unity using CSOF script. So first let's add an object here in the hierarchy. I am adding the object Diamando. And I got these assets from the asset store. The name of the asset is Simple Gems Ultimate Animated Customizable Pack. It's for free. You can use it in your projects. And let me add some material so that it looks good. Let me increase the height of this object by changing y to 1. And now right click and in create an CSOF script. I am naming it as rotate diamond. And here it is. Let's open the CSOF script. And here we are not going to use the start method, so you could remove it. I'm going to create a variable named rotate velocity. Let's serialize the variable so that we can change the value from inspector window. And then what you want to do is type game object and transform and rotate 0, we are going to rotate it along y-axis, so let's give the rotate velocity in y-axis. And finally spaces to relative to the world, so that the object rotates with respect to the world coordinates. And let me attach this to Unity. And then let's wait. And then drag the script file and give it to the object. Yeah, now it's attached. Now click play. And now if you change the rotate velocity, you can see the object rotating. Yeah, it's rotating. Thank you for watching the video.